Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Today, I have come to teach you the student of class 5 English subject. At first, I introduce myself. I am Poppy Mundal, head teacher, Kobarezbari Government Primary School, Nazirpur, Pirozpur. Dear students, honorable viewers who are watching me, I cordially thanks to all of you. Dear students, please join me with my class and get ready your English book and exercise book and a pen and sit down in front of me. Dear students, before going to our today's topics, I would like to do something. Are you agree? Okay, of course. Let us start. Hello, my friend. Happy to meet you. Hello, my friend. Happy to meet you today. Thank you, dear students. I hope you will enjoy the song. You have enjoyed the song very much. Dear students, again I welcome to all of you on behalf of online school. Lesson Identity Class 5 Subject English Unit 8 Lesson 7 to 8. Dear students, look at the picture. What are the girls doing? Yes, you are right. One girl is writing a letter and other girl is putting the letter in an envelope. When we write a letter, what important things are necessary to add in the letter? Okay. 5 important things. Can you name different parts of the letter? Okay, dear students, we will know different parts of the letter. Before that, let's introduce some new words and their meaning. Heading. The top of a writing. Greeting. Addressing a person in a letter. Body. The main part of a letter. Closing. Acknowledgement at the end. Signature. One's name written by oneself. Dear students, previous day, what you have learned? Can you remember? Okay, you have write a letter. Shima writes a letter to her friend Jessica about her illness. Today we will learn the different important things of an informal letter. You have already known that there are 5 important things of an informal letter. They are 1. Heading, 2. Greeting, 3. Body, 4. Closing, 5. Signature. Dear students, look at the letter. Here we can see at the top of the letter you can see 23 Lake Road, London, NW3 7DP, United Kingdom, 12 March 2070. This part is heading. And dear friends, how are you? How was your trip back to London? I am at home today. This part is greeting. Greeting, how are you? Dear friend, greeting. And this part is body of the letter. Your friend, closing. Shima, signature. Dear students, do you know that a letter has a fixed format? Obviously, a letter has a fixed format. Let's read the letter again and learn the format. At the top of the letter, you can see 23 Lake Road, London, NW3 7DP, United Kingdom, 12 March 2016. This part is heading. Dear Jessica, yellow color, you can see this part is greeting. Pink color, you can see how are you? How was your trip back to London? I am at home today. I have the flu. It's awful. I am coughing a lot and I have a runny nose. I am using a lot of tissues. I also have a bad headache. I can't eat very much because I have a stomachache, but my doctor says I should eat. I also have a fever. Sometimes I am very warm, then I get cold and have chills. It's very strange. I want to go to school again. My friends cannot visit me here because they can get ill easily. I hope you are fine. Write to me soon. Pink color. This is body. This part is body. Your friend is closing. Green color, Shima is signature. Step 1, address and date. Address and date. You can see address and date. 23 Lake Road, London, NW37DPK, United Kingdom. Address. Date 12 March 2016. Step 2, greeting. Dear Jessica, greeting. Step 3, body. How are you? How was your trip back to London? I am at home today. I have the flu. It's awful. I am coughing a lot and I have a runny nose. I am using a lot of tissues. I also have a bad headache. I can't eat very much because I have a stomachache, but my doctor says I should eat. I also have a fever. Sometimes I am very warm, then I get cold and have chills. It's very strange. I want to go to school again soon. My friend can visit me here because they can get ill easily. I hope you are fine. Write to me soon. This step is body. Step 4, your friend, closing. Step 5, name of sender, Shima. Dear students, a letter has 5 steps. You can see step 1, top of the letter, address and date. Step 2, greeting. Step 3, body, main part of the letter. Step 4, closing, your friend. Step 5, name of sender. Step 1, address and date. Observe, watch and observe again. Step 2, greeting. Step 3, one or more paragraph. Step 4, sincerely, regularly, truly, your friend. Step 5, name of sender. Dear students, drag and correct section with the number. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can also see Shima, dear Jessica, your friend, address and date, body. You have to drag and correct section with the number. Number 1, which part? Number 1, Shima. Number 5, dear Jessica. Number 2, address and date. Number 1. Number 3, body of the letter. Number 4, your friend. You can see number 1, address and date. Number 2, greeting. Number 3, body of the letter. Number 4, closing. Number 5, signature. Dear students, read the letter silently. After finished your silent reading, I will ask you some questions. I hope you have finished your silent reading. Now, dear students, attention to the following questions about the letter. Why is Seema using a lot of tissues? Number 2, why cannot Seema eat very much? Number 3, does Seema's doctor want her to eat? Number 4, why can't Seema's friends visit her? Dear students, anyone say, why is Seema using a lot of tissues? Thank you very much. In which part of the letter have you found this answer? In the body of the letter. Who wrote the letter to Jessica? Okay, you are correct, Seema. My next question is to you. To whom did Seema write a letter? Jessica. In which part of the letter have you found the answer? Dear Jessica, in the part of the greeting part of the letter. What is relation between Seema and Jessica? They are friends. In which part of letter have you found this answer? In the closing part of the letter. What have you learned from today's lessons? Okay, we have learnt about important parts of letter. 5 important parts. Dear students, how many parts are there in an informal letter? Obviously, you are correct. There are 5 parts of an informal letters. What do you mean by heading? To top of a writing. To top of a writing. What do you mean by closing? Acknowledgement at the end. Acknowledgement at the end. What do you mean by greeting? Addressing a person in a letter. Addressing a person in a letter. Dear students, now the time to give you a homework. You will write a letter to your friend about your school, and all of you will bring an envelope with you for the next class. Dear students, you will write a letter to your friend about your school. When you have finished your writing, you can inbox me, or when your school will open, you will show your English teacher. Dear students, thank you very much. No more today. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning.